y'all, today we're in Pensacola, Florida, and we're going to take you to see Pensacola Beach RV Resort. The resort is located on the main strip in Pensacola Beach, which means you're close to all of the shops and restaurants. It's also within walking distance of the main beach area there where the ball is. That means you can easily access the Gulf of Mexico. This resort has 72 sites. They are listed as Premium, Deluxe, and Standard. The Premium sites are the waterfront sites that sit directly on the bay. As you pull into the resort, you'll see the RV staging area here on the right, and then you'll check in the building up on the left. That's where their office is. It's also their clubhouse. They have the showers in there and the laundry facilities. Now we're going to pull into one of the premium sites so you can see how close they are to the water. This is number 20, and it sits just in front of their tiki bar area. Now while this is bay water, it's still beautiful water and is perfect for kayaking, swimming, and of course fishing. We like to stay on this side when the Blue Angels are practicing. Okay, y'all, that's Pensacola Beach RV Resort. You can see that it is a smaller park, but man, it's in the perfect location. So let us know what you thought about it. Would you stay here? Let us know if you do, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more from the Gulf Coast. Thanks for watching today.